I ain't gonna cap to y'all. This is definitely one of the ones. We got some Southern style gumbo. This one absolutely crazy. As always, for a recipe, link in my bio. So the key to making a good gumbo is making a good roux. So we're gonna add in equal parts oil and flour. And this is the part you wanna be patient with. You wanna continuously stir this until you get a nice brown color like this. Now we're about to bring those flavors together. We're gonna add in our Trinity, some sage, some vegetable broth, and some homemade seafood stock. We wanna season that to taste, add a little bit of liquid smoke, some bay leaves, and we're gonna cover this. For our proteins, we're gonna keep it simple, going with some andouille sausages, cook some chicken thighs in that same grease, and we just gonna set those aside. Now our gumbo should be ready for the last stages. We're gonna add in some gumbo filet or some gumbo base, the rest of that protein, and it should come out something like this. Plate that up with some rice, garnish it with some green onions, and you got a nice, comforting Southern meal. I promise y'all gonna love this. Finish off with some hot sauce. And one thing about it, two things for sure. Chef D, the real GOAT, makes you fall for more, no cap.